Hi guys, it's Colin from Fil-Am Brothers here, and today in this video we're going to be making wonton soup. We're making wonton soup today because it's cold and rainy outside, and it's also very easy to make. So, let's get to the ingredients. So first off, we got here our cooked chicken, some leftovers. Put that over here. Then we got these veggie pot stickers. These are so good. Now we got these here. Now we're gonna put them down here. Next up, we got our noodles. And we're just gonna bring them over here. And the rest is just the garnish. Onions and garlic, and okay. And our final ingredient is our chicken broth or chicken stock, whatever you want to call it. Now let's cook. So here we got our extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna put this in slowly. Get it around the pot a little bit. Turn on the heat. Now we're gonna get our garlic and onions. Just gonna dump that in there. Now it's time to throw in the chicken. We're going to take this here. Put it all in there. Turn it out a little bit. Now we're just gonna let it sit, and we'll be back. Okay, now it's looking and smelling good. I'm just gonna stir it up a bit. Now it's time to add our water. So the ratio for making the soup is 3/4 water, and the last fourth is the broth. Now time to add all this water. Now it's time to add the broth. So we're just going to pour all of this in here. to just let it boil. And we'll be back. So we're just going to take this off here. Now we're going to put the noodles in now because they do take a while to boil and we're pretty hungry. So we're just going to dump them all in there. Ooh, just a little bit more. There we go. Put the top back on and let it boil, and we'll be back. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut this Chinese cabbage, but a little tip for you guys. So the stem here, as you can see, takes longer to cook than the leaves. So we're going to separate the leaves from the stems, and we're gonna cut up the stems and put them in with the soup itself. But with the leaves, you can just lay them off to the side and wait till the soup is done, and then you can add your leaves, because they just pretty much cook itself. That's just a little tip for you guys. So now we're gonna add the stems. Where you're going to add the stems later into the soup. Alright. Now, the noodles are cooked. We're going to add the cabbage stems. Throw them in there. Now, we're going to add the pot stickers. Yum. Now we're just going to let that cook, and we'll be right back. Now, the soup is done. Whoa, look at that. I'm going to stir a little bit. Gently stir. Now that the soup is done, we're going to go on to our garnish. So here we got our leaf cabbage, or cabbage leaf. And we got our onion, both onions, green onions, and red onions. And we got tortilla chips, because my brother also likes them in his soup. Yeah, that's it. Now it's time to scoop the soup. Oh, yee.
stuff mo.
Now it's time to add our garnish. Let me take some. Wow, it looks so yummy.